In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your TikTok app so that you can enjoy new features that the TikTok company updates every now and then to ensure users have a nice and smooth experience while using the app. Okay, let's get started without wasting so much time. You know that in this channel, we don't waste time, we just dive right into the content you are looking for. Now locate the Play Store, type TikTok. Okay, in some phones, you will see that the button written open here is update. Just click on that update button to update it. But when yours is written open, just tap on TikTok. Then you will see two buttons for uninstall and open. But before doing that, click on the home screen button. Then locate settings. Then locate apps. Then you will see TikTok. The first thing you want to do is to click on storage and cache. Then click on cache. Then clear cache. Okay. Then click on the arrow back button. Then uninstall the app. Okay. Okay. Then click on the home screen button after uninstalling it. Now go back to Play Store, refresh it, then click on install. This will allow you to install the latest version of TikTok. Thank you guys for watching. Let's meet in the next video.